Goddamn, get it on, will ya? Woo. When I blow up now, everybody's so unusual with it. Shit. But said times in his rhymes, cause his memories. We running through New York.
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about the oil for your BMW engine. Now there's a lot of you who are still running this oil in your BMW engine, and it's time to make a change and get rid of this oil, because a lot of you are on high mileage and you're still running this oil and it's going to destroy your BMW engine. Okay guys, so we're now here with the BMW N52 engine, and the reason I'm doing this with the BMW N52 engine is this is the most common engine that people always ask me about what oil grade they should be using. And there's a wrong misconception that people still believe they're meant to use the manufacturer recommended guidelines on what oil this engine should have. So I'm going to go over and explain to you why you shouldn't be using the manufacturer recommended oil on this car. Now the manufacturer recommended oil, as you'll see there, is the 5W30. Now this oil BMW using on the M52s, on the M54 and a lot of different variants on the BMWs from early on. Now this is a good oil, but a lot of people are still under the conception that you still need to use this oil even with high mileage on the BMW M52. Now this oil obviously is very popular, very expensive as well, but I only use this with a car with a turbocharger, because obviously it needs to come up to temperature very quickly to protect the engine and the turbocharger. Therefore you need to use 5W30 regardless of the miles. Now as the M52 engine lives on and it gets older and older and the mileage gets higher and higher on these engines, a lot of you guys are still asking me what oil you should be using. Now a lot of you are still using 5W30 in your car even with 160, 170,000 miles. I do not recommend to be using that oil on this engine past 100k, and that's purely because it no longer protects the engine. Also, as the years get on with these engines, things start to wear out, the internals start to wear out, i.e. the piston rings, things like that, and 5W30 isn't doing the job as it's meant to any longer. Therefore, as many of you guys know, I'm a strong believer on moving more oil to 5W40, and that's the oil that a lot of you guys should be using on your BMW M52 engine. Now there's a lot of people who still believe that I'm wrong and you shouldn't be using that, but as the engine ages, 5W40 is a lot better than 5W30. Now if any of you guys have gone over to it, you will notice a big improvement on not only oil loss, because a lot of you suffer with the oil burning problem on your M52 engine, which is no longer using 5W40, and a lot of you also suffer with the car running actually like crap as well, because 5W30 doesn't do its job as the 5W40 oil. And you will also notice that you can get a lot longer service intervals than you can with 5W30, because the oil on 5W30 actually breaks down quicker than on 5W40 oil. Now this is the one I use. Many of you guys know, you would have seen on my oil change, I just used this and I actually changed the oil on this car, which I'll put the video in the description above. This is the oil I always use on my M52, and you guys would have seen from the moment I've ever come to YouTube, I've only ever used 5W40 on this engine. And that's purely because the 5W30 is no good. This is what they had in this engine when I first got it, and it was running terribly and it was actually losing oil. As I said to many of you guys, I did use the Forte oil fortifier and it sorted the issue. I also sealed up the sump by loosening the bolts, letting the sump drop down a bit, putting sealant around it, and then bolting the sump back up with new bolts. I took each bolt out and managed to get new bolts and seal it back up. It's a very easy job. I know a lot of you guys are asking me for a video on that, and it's something I do plan to do if we do get another M52 engine, which I am looking to in the future, to buy another one with the M52 engine. My best recommendation is, if you have this oil in your car and you are due an oil change, do not put this back in your car. Make sure to change over to 5W40, which is a lot better. It's going to protect your engine, and not only is it going to protect your engine, it's going to stop a lot of you guys with your M52 having an oil loss problem. Now 5W40 is no different. It's just about how hot the engines get. 5W30 was recommended for this, but based, when you think about it, on how hot this engine actually gets. Now a lot of people are under the myth that these engines don't get hot, but these actually get as hot as running an S85 engine. So therefore, when they come up to extreme heat, the oil just disappears in the engine. As many of you guys know, oil breaks down, and as heat progresses, the oil will start to just disappear from the sump, leaving you with no oil, and that's why you're always having to top up. The thicker the oil, the less chance of an oil burning problem. and that's why 5W40 is my recommended oil for this engine. If you are looking to buy one and you are looking to service one, you are even at 90k, change it over to 5W40 before you start having the oil burning problem. This is a known fact, and 5W40 can get up to extreme temperatures without losing oil, where the 5W30 can't do that. These engines are designed to run hot and your oil will go, and that's why a lot of you are noticing your oil burning problem. The reason BMW use 5W30 is to make the oil disappear in the engine, so you constantly have to top up with new oil, therefore giving it longer service intervals, so BMW could sell these cars as not needing as regular servicing as the older models. But that also doesn't mean that you carry on using 5W30, or a lot of you always ask me as well, can you use 0W50 or 0W60 oil in this motor? No, you cannot, and it will damage your motor. So do not change over to 0W60 or 0W40 or whatever it is you guys always mention me saying you've changed your oil over to. Make sure to use 5W40, and it will prolong the life of your M52 engine. You guys know I'm not giving you no crap. I use it in my car all the time, and you see it every service I do on this. I've used 5W40 constantly, and you know what? I don't have any oil burning problems, any oil loss problems, and I travel thousands and thousands of miles in this car every year without it burning oil, and that's because the oil is a lot thicker and can maintain the temperatures of this engine, where 5W30 cannot maintain the temperatures of this engine, therefore you end up with burning oil problems. So it's something you have to factor in. A lot of people won't agree with me. I only believe in 5W30 for any engine with a turbocharger, because as I said, the oil must come up to temperature to protect that turbocharger, and anybody with a turbocharged car will know 5W30, which is fully synthetic, is needed. Now, especially in the US, a lot of you get a lot of your oil burning problems, and that's because you're using 5W30. You guys have to think, if you're in a hot climate and using 5W30 still, and the engine is baking under there already, plus with the heat on the outside climate, your oil is going to disappear faster than you can actually put oil in. That's why it doesn't make sense to use 5W30 in an old engine, where you can use 5W40. You can protect the engine for a longer time than with 5W30. Not only that, 5W40, if you put that in your car, you will notice a massive difference on that. You don't have to top up your oil. Now, if you are on 5W30, I do recommend to get it out, change it before it ends up being too late, because all you're going to do is damage your engine. You're going to end up running it so low in oil, which a lot of people do, and end up damaging everything, all the internals in the engine. Not only the internals, you end up damaging the Vanos solenoids, because you starve them with oil, which then means they fail because the oil's burning. You don't even realize. A lot of you only realize when it does come up on the screen telling you to add a quart of oil all the time. Get it out of your engine. Now, on the M52 B25 and the M52 B23, your oil burning problem is caused by your valve stem seals, but that's not the case on the B30 model. The B30 model burns oil based on this engine runs up to very high temperature, causing this engine to actually burn oil. Therefore, use 5W40 to stop that. But on the other engines, you will have to get your valve stem seals fixed to be able to maintain and be able to stop the oil burning problem. So I hope this clears up a lot of the issues that a lot of you guys always ask me every day regarding your M52 engine. Why I'm burning oil, why I'm not burning oil, am I using the right oil, am I not using the right oil, should I get this oil out of my engine? This is a question I'm asked on a daily basis, especially when you guys see me do an oil change. Should you be using 5W40, not 5W30? I do not recommend for you guys to actually use this oil whatsoever anymore on your M52 engine. Most of you will already be over 100k. Any that are still below, I do recommend to switch over to 5W40 now to preserve the life of the engine. Now, the reason why the valve stem seals do fail on the M52, B23 and B25 is due to the heat, because of how much heat the engine actually produces. Where if they were using 5W40 in the beginning, none of this would have been a cause for concern. This is purely because the engines run up to high temperature. Because of the amount of heat that the M52 actually produces, the valve stems itself end up just burning out on the seals, and therefore the oil ain't doing its job to lubricate them properly, and that's the main cause of why the valve stem seals end up happening on the M52 B23 and the B25. Therefore, if you change over to 5W40 now, you can actually stop that actual problem actually happening. Therefore, I do recommend to change over to 5W40, and that will save your valve stem seals and your piston rings on your BMW M52 engine. So I hope it's going to help a lot of you guys who always ask me all the time regarding the BMW M52 and what oil to use. Thank you very much for watching this. BMW Dr. Dean here, and if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you very much, and goodbye.